We'll be reading Cat Ninja. Welcome to the Burbs, part 6. Made by Matthew Cody, illustrated by Chad Thomas. And we will be continuing from where we left off last time. Now, let's start. Oh gosh. Oh, my head. Huh? Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no. We must have lost it. Ah. My foot. No. I can eat. Nom nom. Ow. New. The Godfather's Goldflakes. Yeah, I'd eat them. Made in Peaceful Valley. Original flavor. Shrub. I'm ready to beat him up. Ow. Why? It's so itchy. Ah. You gotta go save him. Ah. What? Oh no. Hey, so you wanna grab his part so that we can use it for new things? I don't know. Stop thinking about it. I bet you're probably thinking about the food you just ate. Be quiet, I'm trying to think about what we do. Woohoo! Hey, I'm at Sarah's house. Come over. Huh? I'm watching you. I'll just put you right here. I'm watching you. I'll just bring him over here. Ow! Ah! What was that? Get him! I see him. You look much more smaller than I thought. Ah! Ooh! Ow! Yeah. What? Oh God! This is painful, but also delicious at the same time. Ow! Well, that settles it. Never do this. Never do this at all. Ah! Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark. Never give up. 'Cause even though this is painful and very painful, I will do it. Yeah. Oh, my face. You gotta help him. I'll help you open this door. Heh, heh. Eh. Haha. Boing, boing, boing. Holding cell A. Boing, boing, boing. Well, it's about time. Boy, do I have a lot to say. Chapter 5. Who rules the toilets rules the world. So let me see if I got this straight. After I went out of my way to nab that little creep, Master Hamster, after I put myself at risk so he could fix our most powerful weapon, the Evolver Ray, which, by the way, is the reason you bunch of mooks got legs. After all that, you tell me that the cat ninja and some flying robot dog were spotted here at our own base. Yeah, boss. But with my boys, shot him down with the macro missiles. Got the robot dog in lockup. Cat ninja, he might have got away. Master Hamster, did too. That's so, huh? De-evolved. Think about this Evolver Ray. It's got a reverse button? Just ask my old boss fish face Malone. Oh God. Hey, you got turned into a fish too. I was always a fish. If I learned one thing sitting in that stinking fishbowl, it was that this and that place. It was this that hero loves his family. To lure him to us like a fishing rod. We gotta bait the hook. Hey, I caught it. A fishing rod. Do I want to do it? Vroom, vroom. Yeah, that's the kid. Pedal to the metal, Grandma. Get me closer so I can nap him. Ah! Gotta do a sick trick to save myself. Oh yeah. Hey, come back here, you hairy mama. Hold on. Oh, hi, Leon. Marcy, your brother's here. Hey, are you all right? Leon, you look exhausted. What's up? I need your help. I got chased by a lot of fish for some reason. Back at Goldfather's hideout. I'm telling you, the Goldfather and his fish goons are merciless. They put me through torture to make me repair their broken Evolver Ray. Boing, boing, boing. I held it out for as long as I could. They made me skip a whole meal. It was lunch, my favorite meal of the day. I'm still weak with hunger. Boing. Wow. If I don't make it, give my hamster cage to Marcy. Tell her not to get a new hamster, though. Keep it just as I left it, like a shrine. Boing, boing, boing.